Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for taking a look. I'm Kevin from Robertson's Power and Sports. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little alert bell to get notifications for future videos coming out. Today we're going to take you on a walk around of a brand new 2021 Caanium Commander XTP. This is a great all-around machine, and I'm going to show you why, and I'll tell you why as well. Starting off right here in the front, these machines do come stock with a front bumper, a winch, and they also come stock with the LED headlights in it. Really nice feature, especially for those of you going to be doing a lot of night riding. We've gone ahead and added these corner protectors right here. They're a great look, but then also offer you a lot of protection on the side, depending on where you're riding, some narrow trails or whatnot. Just going to help protect that plastic. We've also gone ahead and added the Caanium glass windshield with wiper kit. We're starting to find that a lot of people are starting to lean towards this windshield for the simple fact that when you're out there, you're riding in the mud, everything's getting splashed up on you. You'll be able to just run that wiper and everything's nice and clean, and the glass doesn't really get all scratched up like some of the other windshields. So we're finding as time goes on, more and more people are leaning towards this windshield. We've also gone ahead and added a light bar on the top. I think it gives it a great look, and it's very functional, especially if you're going to do a lot of night riding. And this machine here, being a Commander, is very versatile. So you're going to be able to use this machine for pleasure and for work too. And we'll get into some of the specs as to what this machine can do here in a few minutes. Stock on this machine, you do get the 30-inch tires, so it is going to give you a little bit more ground clearance, which I really like. This is a nice tire. I think this is going to do well all around. As far as, you know, its capabilities, it's a great all-around tire. One of the other things with the XTP that I really like, and we're going to talk about, is the Fox shocks. These are the QS3 shocks. They're easy to adjust. There's one little knob on the top to adjust the compression. You have settings 1, 2, and 3. I'll take a look down in here. There's just this one knob at the top. So if you want to adjust your suspension, it's really just that easy. So if you're out there riding and the terrain changes, you'll be able to adjust that pretty quickly. In all four corners, you'll be able to do this, okay? The other nice thing with the Commander is that it has a dump body. So this machine you'll be able to use, like I said, for pleasure or for work. The dump works really easy. Just lift it up. It's on a gas-assisted piston, and your tailgate also drops down too. So you can put whatever you want in the back here. Use this for extra storage while you're out riding, or maybe some firewood or any type of work that you're doing around the yard. This machine also can tow 2,000 pounds. So when we talk about buying side-by-sides now they're versatile. It's not just for one thing. We have models like this that can be used for multiple different things. So this definitely makes it more practical, is what I should say. We've also gone ahead and added the rear hard window on this one as well. If you were to choose, if you're going to use this in the wintertime, at this point, the way the machine is, all you would have to do is basically add a set of upper soft doors to this, and you're fully enclosed for the wintertime. So this one here we left open as far as the options go, if somebody chooses to fully enclose it or not. So we've added a couple things inside, so let's take a look. Alrighty, so moving ahead on the inside here, what you're going to notice first thing is this big 10-inch screen. Now this here is set up with all of our local trails, and this is going to give you turn-by-turn directions. So we get this tablet, we can get them in 10-inch or 8-inch configurations. This here is the 10-inch. It just gives you a real nice field of view. It's going to give you, like I said, turn-by-turn directions to wherever you want to go while you're out on the trail. So no more of, hopefully no more getting lost out on the trail and asking, you know, the buddy that knows, yeah, I know exactly where we're going here, right? And then, you know, next thing you know, you're however many miles out in the wrong direction. So we all have that friend, but we do have these options now for you. And all that it takes is to add BRP's electronic device holder. This acts almost like a glove box for you. There's a little button on the top, you just push that. This does flip down. This offers plenty of storage inside. There's also a 12-volt accessory plug inside as well to be able to charge this tablet. Now, if you have a different size tablet, there's just a nut right here on the back side that you loosen up, and it adjusts this top clamp up and down to accommodate the size of the tablet that you're going to use. The other thing on this front door, I don't know, Tristan, if you can come in close right here, there's a small gap in the bottom, so you'll be able to run your wire right out through this gap, and when you close this door, that gap, you'll be able to get your wire right out through here and to charge this throughout the day to be able to use it. The other nice thing with this is if you decide to, you can put a lot of your music right onto your tablet, and if you have a Bluetooth audio system, you'll be able to control all your audio in the machine from this tablet as well. So multi-function obviously, and you can take it out at home and go in at night and use the tablet for, you know, if you want to play games or whatever you want to do with it. So not just for navigation, but full use of a tablet. So the other thing inside, we've gone ahead and added this overhead switch panel. In this switch panel, you're going to get your control for your wiper and washer, and also go ahead and add the switch for your LED light bar. You also have 2 more locations if you were to add any accessories in the future. So that about wraps it up on this 2021 Caanium Commander XTP. Again, I really think this is almost the most versatile as far as going to give you a really good ride with the Fox shocks in it. It's going to give you the ability to do some work around the house if needed. So this is a really, really easy sell to the significant other, okay? So thanks for taking the time to watch, and have a great day.